Hello guys, welcome to another video of important digital ICT maths tips and tricks. Today I have taken this question as I have found that many students are struggling with this type of question, and I recently found that this was asked. This type of question was asked previously before in real test. I don't know which, but yeah. So this is basically the a geometric figure question based that is based on pyramids and which is based on lateral surface area, total surface area. So let's see what this question is saying. A right square pyramid has total surface area of this, and the combined surface area of the four lateral faces is this. What is the height in the inches of this pyramid? Okay, so before solving this problem, let's let us understand that what is the height of pyramid means. For example, let me consider a rough figure of square pyramid uh, like this, like this. Okay, so this L is the length of the side of a pyramid, and if we open this pyramid and if we see the open view of this pyramid, this lateral triangular faces looks like this in when it is opened. So yeah, like this and like this. It's just a rough figure. So now we have to understand two things here, which is very important to solve this type of problem. We have to be able to differentiate between the slant height and the height of the pyramid. Let us consider this is a height of a triangular face. This is a height of a triangular face, which is called S. So we can see here, if these sides are closed, then the height of the triangle becomes the slanted height. Listen carefully, it becomes slanted height, not the actual height of the pyramid, which means this height becomes this part S, which is slanted height, and this small part is the real height. This is the real height. So yeah, I have taken this picture. In this we can clearly see this this part is the slanted height, and this part is the real height. Let me draw. This part is the real height, and this part is the slanted height. So we have to keep in mind that the slanted height equals to uh, height of a single height of a each triangle part. So in this question we have lateral surface area and total surface area. So first of all we have to find the area of the base, which is square. So lateral surface area, that is 36864 minus total surface area minus lateral surface area equals to area of square or area of base, this which is this area of square. Now it becomes, which is equals to 16324. So this becomes 163, oh sorry, 16384. This is 8. So this is the area of the base, area of square, which is equals to L square, because side of square is L in this case. So L square equals to 16384, and in this case L equals to, please ignore my handwriting, L equals to 128. So we have found L, which is the length of a square base. So our work is half done. Now after this, now in the question we have total lateral surface area, which means total area of four triangles. And so 20 480 equals to 4 times the area after triangles, which means 4 times half. Now we have to understand, you can see this triangle. The height of a triangle, in this case, it is a slanted height, or it is s. In this case, in this figure, I have considered it s. So height is s, we don't know height. And base of a triangle, this whole base of a triangle is equal to L. This part is the base of a triangle, which is equals to length, and which is 128. We just found it. So 128, s times 128. So by solving for s, we get s equals to, so we get s equals to 80, which means our slanted height equals to 80. So now our work is about to complete. We have to find the actual height of the pyramid, which is, if this is the pyramid, let us say, ignore the figure, please. So if this is the pyramid, this is the actual height here. This this is the slanted height, and this is the actual height. So this part will be half of the length, which means L by 2, and this part is the slanted height. We already found it as 80. So we can do that. We can use Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse square equals to p square p square plus b square. I hope there is no any problem until now. So we have already hypotenuse equals to 80. So we can do like directly 80 square. We know the value of base, which means half of 128, and which is equals to 64, minus 64 square, taking the whole root, is equals to p in this case. So in this case, we have the value of height of the pyramid is 48. When we solve this equation, we get the value of height, which is actual height, which is this height, this, which is, it is 48. So we can solve this question very easily by remembering these two concepts, that difference between slanted height and the actual height of the pyramid, and knowing that it knowing that the base of a triangle will be equal to the side length of a square. So our answer in this case will be A, which is equals to 48. So I hope you found this video very helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for further such important videos and concepts. Thank you and best of luck.